5, a dire situation for a business district that was thriving just 10 weeks ago. Good evening, I'm Corey Stark.
And I'm Caroline Hecker in for Sam. The May 16th tornado devastated parts of Delmar, and while many repairs have been made, business is not returning.
And tonight, our Nathan Vickers is live at 5 at the Delmar Maker District, digging into these challenges.
That's right. There's a cluster of restaurants and businesses here in the Delmar Maker District that's sort of been at the center of a lot of the fundraisers and a lot of the support efforts for tornado relief in the area. But tonight they're hosting a fundraiser to sort of distribute some of those funds. And even though they've been reopened now for a few weeks, they say there's another challenge looming for the area. Despite the damage along Delmar, Danny Eichenhorst sees signs of hope at her restaurants, The Fountain and Steve's Hot Dogs.
We've all been working to rebuild, recover, help our neighbors.
Hers were among the businesses that reopened a few weeks after the tornadoes struck. But now they face a new challenge in the Delmar Maker District.
A lot of people are really avoiding the neighborhood because of the damage. We've lost a lot of our neighbors. They're either temporarily or permanently displaced, and those were our regulars.
Now she worries they might not survive.
We are operating about 30% under what it takes to keep the doors open at these locations.
It's a pinch Cher Williams is feeling too.
It's been very rough for us the last 10 weeks.
Her restaurant, Too Much Sauce, is still dealing with damage. She's currently open at limited hours.
I think that it's going to take a couple more months. Hopefully going into the fall, we'll be somewhere with our new normal.
Even nonprofits are searching for a spark.
We're still here. We're still fighting.
Tim Henry works with the Craft Alliance, where summer camps and classes are keeping up the creativity. But he's also concerned about what the next few months could bring.
We are worried that will our fall classes see a downtick?
Before the tornado, the Maker District had brought new life to a long-neglected corridor. Now, as the area rebuilds, the community is looking for ways to bring people back.
Rebuilding, that's going to be key for everything around here, both for the neighborhoods, getting people back in their homes, and then getting the businesses back open.
Really pushing and trying to do everything we can to kind of get people out to support this area.
As they make that push, Eichenhorst is holding out hope.
I want to see what happens next spring. I want to see what's next for this neighborhood, and I want that vision for the Delmar Maker District to continue.
And a lot of these businesses were also impacted by flooding right around 3 years ago. Now tonight at this fundraiser, the Delmar Main Streets Association helped raise around $100,000 for some of the local businesses and nonprofits here. They'll be distributing that to 20 different businesses and organizations later tonight. Reporting live, Nathan Vickers, First Alert 4.
Nathan, thank you. Now to our